Hi guys, this is my demonstration review of the tumble dryer, and well, it's not, yeah, I will do a review. I'm not going to do a review in this and a demonstration. I might do a review in this another time, and demonstration again another time, but I literally just done a load and I turned it off. We did rapid 14. And yeah, so I'm gonna open it. My mum and that's out, so we're gonna use bath and bedding. I won't do like the whole thing, but we got super easy iron. So if you got stuff which is creasy and you don't like an iron or whatever, you got an iron program. It'll take an hour and 30. Cotton, whites, mixed fabric, shirts, coloured, duvet, jeans, spots, wool. Oh, I'm not filming it. Don't know how you see that. Bath and bedding, refresh, smart touch, which you get your phone up to that thing there, and you can control the dryer by your phone. Anyway, this is I think that's the delayed timer. I don't know. Hang on. I don't know. I know that's the delay timer. That, I don't know, we haven't used that. That's speed perfect, I think. Oh, it flashes, I don't know. This is something, of course that's stop button. The washing machine, yeah, like I said, I'll do it later. So we got towels and I've heard something ding dong. Oh yeah, there's metal stuff in there. Metal? I don't know. I don't know what that is. Oh, I might do mixed fabric actually. I told my mum so I do bed and bath because it's towels. Mixed fabric. She said mix and dry or Beth and Brad, and I picked, there's stuff in there as well, and I picked bed and bath because it's towels, but I know mix and dry. I see that she's back there. So this machine is not brand new. We've had it for a few weeks now. I'm just gonna, well, there's nothing in there anymore, so we'll shut that up. We don't need that anymore. There's fluff on the bottom of there. I cleaned the lint filter and I'll have to show you this. What is the point? Yeah, that's it. What's the point? It's tiny. And you probably think it's vented. No, it's not a vented dryer. If I open this bottom bit, oh, I forgot that comes off. This is a condenser. This is where we empty the water. And this is the filter. And that's the fan, that bit there. I don't know what that is, but it's something. I'm just going to put it back on, hang on. So, like I said, I'm gonna click mix and dry. Hang on. I'm small, so I can't really see well. So, iron, cotton, white, mixed fabric. Ready. As soon as we click start, we'll go. There it goes. And it also says, I don't know if you can hear me because the dryer is quite loud, but I'll zoom in. So, actually I wonder if I can, I'm just testing out some stuff. I can do it. I don't think I could. Wait, hang on. Okay, right, so, don't know if you can hear me, because this dryer is quite loud, like I said, but, because it's condenser, it's got a glass window. The window steams up when it's on. You can see that it is steaming up. Don't touch the glass though, it is real glass, like glass, it's not plastic or anything. When we first got it, like I said, we got it just before, we got it like a week before the washing machine. This was like a few weeks ago now. And the first time I used dryer, it was steamed up, so I went to wipe the steam off. And I literally burnt my hand. Guys, thanks for watching. See you whenever. Bye.